Kawaii Queen here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a glue slime recipe with no contact solution. I mean, yes, there's a solution, but there's no contact solution. So if you don't have any, then you can use this. Here's the slime right here. I took it out of the fridge just now. I made this by Crazy Art Glue. I bought it at Five Below at the Paramus Mall. Shaving cream and borax. Not borax, baking soda. Borax. So here it is, the finished product. If it's sticky, then you can use contact solution. I didn't because I don't have any. I ran out. I have to buy some more. That's why I made this. I actually found this out by just doing it. It's probably already a recipe, but yeah. I hope this helps you guys. So let's get on with the video and I'll show you how to make this recipe. What you will need is a bowl or plate to make your slime in. Glue. I'm using this Crazy Art Glue, as I said. I got this from the Paramus Mall in Five Below. Some shaving cream. I'm using this Barbasol. You can get this at Dollar Tree. And some baking soda. I have it in my
So you'll need to get your bowl or plate to make your slime in, and then put as much glue as you want. The more glue you put is the more slime you get. So yeah. My number one pet peeve about this is when I'm watching a video and a YouTuber knows a slime recipe will work, but they won't put that much into it. I'm like, dude, you know how much, if you put more glue, you get more slime? They just don't because they don't want to waste it, so I'm like, fine, whatever. So I'll just put, come on. Okay, there we go. As much glue as I can squeeze out, so yeah. So then you'll need your shaving cream. There we go. It doesn't matter what shaving cream you use, I'm just using this, so if you use another shaving cream and it doesn't work, then buy this one, because it probably will work better, because this is well, in my opinion, this is best works for making fluffy slime. This shaving cream. So yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and like down below and comment what is your favorite kind of slime. Is it fluffy slime, fishbowl slime, cloud slime, any kind. And maybe you can win a free slime from me. So yeah. I might be giving a giveaway for 10 or 20 slimes. So yeah, all you have to do, I'll explain in the next video, but yeah, for now I'm keeping that secret. But yeah. Okay, I think that's good. I'm just gonna add a little bit more glue. Take this. Take a whole bit off. Here and that is both there. Alright. Now just to add some baking soda. I advise you don't, if you know, just have to read the box, that doesn't hurt your hands, because I've been reading a lot on the news saying children making slime selling it, but with baking soda and getting their hands hurt. So I don't want that to happen to you guys. So read the box first before you use anything. So yeah, I'll just mix this in. Camera. I know this is so close. It's just the camera's dead, so I'm using my tablet, and it's not the best. So yeah. There we go. Now what you want to do is leave it in the freezer for about 45 minutes, and then yeah. So I'll take this out, and 45